Today we're going to show you some quick and handy tips within Microsoft Teams when it comes to meetings. So let's jump into our test meeting to show you what's on offer. This is what you'll see from the presenter point of view. Depending on how your organization's Teams has been set up, by default, users who join a meeting are also a presenter, allowing them to share content and perform other presenter actions. You also have to grant external users from your organization access to the meeting. Let's just do that now. The first feature we have is the raise hand function. When this is clicked, it does exactly that, sending a notification to the meeting announcing that you'd like to ask a question. You can then lower your hand once you do not need to speak anymore. Moving on, we'll look into the pin button. This allows an individual screen/webcam to be permanently shown as the primary window for you as an individual. Next, we'll look at the spotlight icon. This is similar to pin, but applies to everybody in the meeting, ensuring that all users can see what is being presented on screen or a single user's webcam. Now let's look at the fun features in Teams, such as applying background effects and other background images. To do this, you have to click on the three dots and select Apply Background Effects. When in this screen, you can apply anything from a simple blur effect to a whole branded background if required. Here I apply the blur effect to my camera to hide the messy office, and then switch between the default backgrounds available. You can also add your own background by selecting the Add New button at the top and picking any image of your choice. Arguably, one of the most important remote meeting features is screen sharing. Teams allows you to share your entire screen or an individual application if that is all is required. You can also decide if your computer sound is enabled or disabled by using the convenient slider button above. Finally, there is also the Take Notes option by selecting the three dots and going into Meeting Notes. This then brings up a separate pane to take any notes which can be viewed both during the meeting and afterwards. Similar to Notes, you also have an instant chat function, which allows attendees to drop links into the chat or ask questions via a message. We hope you found these hints and tips for Teams meetings useful. Tell us your favourite feature in the comments below.